You probably won't believe this, but now you are able to build dashboards and build artifacts and applications inside Notion without having to move them to another website. So let's see what we can do here. So if you type slash and then you choose the HTML block, which is the new addition, you will have these options. Either you can create slides, dashboards, reports, a game, a prototype, or explainer. So I'm going with the game, and then let's see the prompt. So create a polished playable game inspired by this page, include clear instructions, intuitive control. Yeah, let's do this. So this page here is just my brain backup dashboard where I have my tasks and organized by tags, and then it's creating the game for us based on the content of this page. By the way, right now they are still disconnected from databases and MCPs. However, they seem to be working on allowing us to connect actual databases to these artifacts, including MCPs, which will be really amazing. Let's wait a few seconds for this game to be created, and I'm sure you will be really amazed by the result. Okay, perfect. This is our game now. Let's make it full size so we can see the full thing. And it's brain backup quest. We have 4 actions to drag, and then a space, and then quick file, and then restart. So let's interact with it. Play now. Someday course on Notion AI. So what are we supposed to do? Yeah, so this is a way to organize our tasks in an interactive way. So I moved this to urgent, and then it goes to urgent. So a reply to Daria meeting notes. I think this should be, yeah, I have some ideas for improving this. Let's do start a game, exploring community manager add-ons someday, urgent now or soon. Yeah, so this is a good way of let me see, mouse or touch, quick file. You can do 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I'm doing 1, 2, 3 for controlling that, and then restart the game. Yeah, I think this is very good. Just instead of having urgent this week someday, I would like to have the statuses instead, so I can of course just change the application. But this is amazing. I mean, this is super cool. Can't wait for this to be integrated with databases.